Hello, Eco Clean Queen here. Welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be talking to you about how to eco clean your workspace. Currently, I am in Medellin, Colombia. Say hello to my husband Matt. We are staying in a digital nomad Airbnb. We each have our own bedrooms, but we have several communal spaces. The dining room that leads to the kitchen. We all have our own projects we work on. We have really fast internet here, and we have a nice, comfortable workspace. And this is my desk. It's a mess. Let's clean it up. I will clean my office space using a feather duster, a toothbrush, lemon essential oil, Castile soap, a bucket or a bowl of water, and 2 surgical rags. One dry and then the other one I'm going to wet. The last step is cleaning the floor, so grab a broom, a dustpan, and a mop. Now I'm creating a solution with the bucket of water, some Castile soap, and my lemon essential oil. I'm excited about this essential oil. I got it from Guatemala. It's 100%. Whatever kind of essential oil that you decide to buy, just make sure that it's 100%. After creating the solution of essential oil, water, and Castile soap, you'll want to mix it with a surgical rag. So make sure that you wring out the rag as much as possible. You don't want it too wet. Alright, so the first part of this is dusting everything. So start from the top, work your way down, so look in the corners, and then you'll use your feather duster and just start dusting everything. And put all of the dust down to the floor. On the keys, you can use a dry toothbrush and just get in between the keys to clean it. Alright, now before you start cleaning, be sure to turn off your computer so you're not pressing any keys that you don't want to be pressing. Now I've watched other cleaning videos on how to clean the inside of your laptop. However, I would say that it's highly risky of you breaking your computer, so take it to a professional. Also, don't use compressed air on your laptop because it can ruin the fans inside your computer. And it can also void your warranty if you do these things, so just be mindful of that. Now grab your lightly damp rag and start cleaning the screen very lightly, because you don't want it to scratch. It's best if you use a microfiber cloth on this, but I don't have one. I just use these surgical rags, but I'm doing it very lightly and making sure that it's not scratching my screen. And then the other important thing is to use the dry rag afterwards. Then it removes any streaks that can occur after passing the damp rag. Another thing you can do to clean out your workspace is go through any files you might have on your hard drive, also on your laptop, and then also in any SD cards you might have. Go through any files that are no longer needed, delete them, old emails, and so forth, and it will be a lot cleaner so that you can have a more clear mind for your work. To clean your headphones, you can use the dry toothbrush to remove any gunk from the earbuds, and then you can just wipe them with the damp cloth and then dry everything. That's what you're going to do with everything: your pen, your notebooks, your hard drives, your desk. Wipe everything with your rag and then just fold it in sections so you can use each side, so that if one side gets dirty, just fold it to the other side and use that side. So that's what you're going to do from either left to right or right to left to get through everything on your desk. When you wipe down the chair, just start from the top and work your way down all the way till the legs. And then you can go as far as the wheels if you're feeling up to it. The last part you want to do is the floor. So now just sweep all that dust onto the dustpan and then later mop. And if you have carpet, you can use a vacuum cleaner, which I don't have both, so I'm using a sweeper and a mop. Thanks so much for watching. I hope that was helpful. If you liked this video, give it a thumbs up. You can also hit the subscribe button to see more videos. Tap the notification bell so you can be notified of the very next one. Thanks again. Take care. Bye-bye.